Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a spaghetti strap tank top or camisole, whichever you prefer to call it. This was a requested video and this is really simple, easy and quick to do. It did not take long at all. This is like really beginner friendly, so let's just get right into the video. So for my material, I did use a cotton spandex fabric, meaning it does stretch, and I got this from Walmart. So what you are all gonna see me do is I'm actually just gonna take a tube top that I already have, and I do have a tutorial on how I made this, but basically I'm just going to trace around it with some fabric chalk, or you can measure around yourself to get your measurements, but I just took something as a pattern, something to just guide me to make it much more quicker. And yeah, I'm just tracing around it basically. So here I'm just cutting out my pattern piece. Now that I got my pieces cut out, I'm just going to take some sewing pins and pin down both sides of the fabric. So now that that is done, that is what it's looking like once both sides are pinned together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and I'm just going to sew both sides with a zigzag stitch. It is best to sew with a zigzag stitch on stretchy fabrics, that way it can keep its elasticity. If you use a straight stitch on stretchy fabric, it's going to be a little more stiff or hard to put on. Trust me, I know there has been trial and error with me sewing as well. Now that that's done, I pretty much hemmed the top and bottom of the shirt and just pinned it in place. So basically I'm just going to sew that in place, and that is what it's looking like after I've sewn it. And then after this, it's just moving on to adding the straps. So for the straps, you can either use braided elastic or you can use round cord elastic. All of this can be found near the fabric section in Walmart or at the craft store, but I decided to go with round cord elastic. I do prefer to go with braided elastic, as the round cord elastic was a bit challenging to add onto the shirt. But this is what the round cord elastic is looking like outside of the package. So I went ahead and cut out how long I needed my pieces to be, and basically I just took a tape measure and measured out how long I needed my elastic to be, and then I marked on the shirt where I need the elastic to be placed, and I'm basically just going to sew that onto the areas that I marked. So I've seen others go about adding the straps and making the spaghetti strap tank tops different ways, but this is just how I decided to go about it. But yeah, once I sew down the straps, this is what the entire tank top is looking like. So this is basically the completed look of the tank top. So this is what the tank top is looking like. Really cute, really simple, and when I tell y'all, this did not take long at all to make this shirt. It was so quick. This might be one of the fastest and easiest projects that I've worked on, and it's super simple, but you can pair this shirt with just about anything. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and request any more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video.